Hi everyone, this is Terry from terryscraftroom.com, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how I store my photopolymer stamp sets and my dies. So I just got this To a Wild Rose stamp set, and here's the two photopolymer stamp sets. Now I don't like having them just flopping around in here, and I don't like having to constantly be pulling these on and off. So I get rid of these sheets, and what I do is I take all these photopolymer stamps off of this backing sheet where it's got all the images on them. So now I've got the backing sheet here, and what I do is I take some glue dots and I glue dot them onto a piece of cardstock. There's my glue dots here. Now when you put it on your cardstock, your piece of cardstock here, you want your words to be upside down. You do not want your words to be right side up, because when you put these on, you notice it's backwards. So we're going to put them upside down on the cardstock. And it only takes a couple. You don't have to glue dot a lot. It only takes a couple of glue dots here. Just glue dot it down onto your, and you see I left this glue dot hanging over onto the cardstock. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide this into the sleeve here, and then I'm going to put these right back on, but they're just clinging to the stamp case. Just like that. And this way I know what's there. If I'm missing one, I can tell right away because the it's empty, and you can see it through the stamp case. And there, a good, easy way, quick way to store your photopolymer stamps. Now, to store your dies. So what I will do here is I will just slide this die sheet right in the back here. So the dies are here, and here's the stamp set. Okay, so this way, if I look here, I know there's something on the back, so I can see that there are dies stored with this. And to store my dies, I have a piece of magnetic sheet, and I'm going to place that magnetic sheet on this piece of chipboard. Okay. And I've just kind of measured it. I know that my stamp cases are approximately 5 inches wide, so my magnetic sheet has to be less, or it has to be 5 inches wide, and my chipboard. So now if there wasn't a second, if this wasn't taking up 2 pages, I might take and put adhesive and stick this down to my stamp set, my stamp case. But since there are 2 pages of stamps, I'm just going to let that part float in the stamp case, this part here. And I'm just going to put this in the stamp, or put this on the magnetic sheet. Just like this. And that way I'm not fighting with that adhesive every time I want to get my dies out. And I just store them just like that. All together, easy peasy. I hope I gave you some good ideas today. Check out terryscraftroom.com for some other great ideas and tips and tricks. And if you liked this tip and trick, please subscribe below here and give me a thumbs up. And I'll hope to see you soon. Bye!